jogging, and she's taking me as like this, and she starts jogging, and if she is having suppose she had but she suppose have a asthma problem, what will happen? She'll get collapse. I have to talk. That's what I said. Exactly, that's what I said. Brisk walk is, again, if you are having a cardiac problem and you will have a. So that's what I say, genuine. I can tell in the general this thing. That's why I say, again, everything is related to person, the exercise changes.
Ma'am, what I think that this for practice talking, first we have to develop the slow walk, then
slowly, then you have to go. But that's why I say minimum 30 minutes you have to walk, then you can start, then he can start, but he must be doing from years together. He can't start from like tomorrow. So one day I'll be fall down if I'm within 2-3 days. So you have to genuinely start these things and go about it. That's fine, absolutely. You are walking from how many years? Right? Then, so definitely, so you are a very good person, so you will get very good effect. Like, jogging gives you very good advantages, benefit. Now, among ourselves, if we start jogging in your comparison, we will collapse.
For 7 days.
even if you're talking about me, like, I'm like, whatever the age, if I start jogging, I'll collapse. So whatever the healthy, I don't have any problem, but I'll collapse. Exactly.
I know the baby become mother-in-law. Does almost 1 hour jogging every day.
I know, but
He started off and
yeah, that's what developing up. That's what that. It's a develop. Yes. Age is not. Yes, age is not. Yes. Now this is.
Age is not a 91 years old. The last 10 years he's done 10 marathons, 52 miles. In fact, to make them again cutting. I got it on the YouTube. Okay, Adidas as their ambassador. And he's 91 years and he's run 52 miles.
You must have been from 16 years.
See the no. The thing is,
Last 10 years.
10 years. That's what it says. Definitely. See, age doesn't bar. Only. Yes, age is not bar. The thing is that your practice, your experience, and mind setting up. In armies, in army, the military, they have to carry a 20 or 40 kgs and they have to run per day. But you know what? After a few kilometers, they forget that they have a heavy weight. They have to set their mind like that way. So that is just setting up your mind, building up the stamina, and practice. That helps the 3 things. That's all. See the exercise. That's why I say exercise part. I said I've talked about the diet, right? There's 2 things. Yeah, that's what I'm coming up. I'll tell you, if you don't get sleep, I'll tell you the whole steps, everything. No. That's okay. Yeah, go ahead. Good source of proteins. Good source of protein is spinach, beetroot. Protein, sorry, I'm talking about answer. Protein is mungfali, sprouted, pulses. Pulses is the best friend. And dal le lo, moong dal is the best. Red flaxes. Red. Alsi. But वो लाल, हाँ, लाल वाला, not black. This is true. कोई भी बनिया के शॉप में मिल जाए. लाल one. You have to उसको भूंजना पड़ता है. उसको भूंजना पड़ता है. Red, that is a high protein source. Moong dal is a high protein source. Sprouted moong is a high protein source. Okay? Yeah. 5 times of a small serving and 10 glasses of water. Minimum 10 glasses of water, lots of green vegetables, lots of leafy vegetables, and this all helps you to have a good melatonin in your brain, which gives you a good sleep. Not a disturbed sleep, but good sleep. Melatonin. Melatonin, that is a sleep hormones.
अच्छा मैडम डिस्टर्ब मतलब आपका टाइम चला जाता है
Why? First of all, you need to find out that why. Why you get this kind of disturbed sleep? What makes you to get aware?
I got the reason. So after coming from work, I have a full month. And that's giving me trouble. Now I realize it. But
Everyone has a different reason. And they say that before we go off to sleep, we don't get relaxed. First of all, we have to relax, and then as soon as you get relaxation, you will get a good sleep and sound sleep. Again, sleep quality is important, not hours is important. So that is it. Now the one good acupressure kind of things which you can give it to yourself is, lie down on your back, stretch your toes on your face side, and then just relaxes. Stretch your toes on your face side. See the S up. Yes. And then relax. Do it for a few times, but not vigorously, nicely, gently. Please. With me, whatever the exercise I am telling you, वो प्यार से करने का. अपना body है, सब कुछ अपना ही है. तो प्यार से, nothing, no harm to yourself, no torture to yourself. Sleep nicely, relax yourself. दोनों पैर को साथ में ले लीजिए. Stretch your toes on your face. And then relaxed.
Without raising.
Yeah, without raising. No, before sleep. To get nice sleep. Right? First. Sorry? Yes, it helps. 5 to 10 times, not more than that. Because otherwise your calf muscles get this thing. Try 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Okay? Relax. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Relax. Then again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That way. Now the second. Second way to get the good sleep is a good diet, which I have already discussed. I have talked about the good exercise also, that also I have. Now, still, people don't get a good sleep. I have a one request. There are the people, I have seen in many people, if they don't get a sleep, they just toss and turn, yahan se yahan, yahan se yahan. Please do not do that. If you don't get sleep in 5, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, please gently get up. Just take a nice walk, drink a water, listen some nice music, relax your mind, read something, watch TV. Nice thing in TV, please. Everyone has a different definition of nice, but I would go in the genuine, that good thing which gives you pleasure, nice, you are happy with that, and this. Basically you need to pamper yourself and go off to sleep. Definitely you will get a very good sleep. Third thing, suppose. Third thing I would say, as I am talking about myself, I get very good sleep when I am listening nice music. After taking a nice bath, I listen nice, close my eyes and listen nice music and I go off to sleep. So you get a very nice kind of the, sleep, sound sleep. Third thing, do not overeat. When you overeat, your body will not respond to a good sleep. So that's why we suggest eat early. Have a dinner early. 3 hours. The best thing. Always remember the person has to eat half stomach. Right? Now half stomach, अब आप 4 रोटी खाते हो, उससे फुल हो जाता है, तो 2 रोटी खाओ. और घर में तीसरी रोटी होनी ही नहीं चाहिए. So milk is good option. Watermelon is a good option. Why not?
cold milk.
Sorry? बट वो फ्रीज में नहीं रखने का ना, वो फ्रीज में रखा हुआ कोल्ड होता है, फ्रीज के बाहर नहीं. वॉलनट इज गुड फॉर योर कोलेस्ट्रॉल. या सी ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, fruits are not bad, but if you put it in the freeze, that he's a young guy. He's a young guy. He can have it. I don't think so. आपको कुछ जुकाम बुकाम का प्रॉब्लम नहीं है ना, तो he can have it. If you don't have any problem of cold and cough, you can have it. That is there. And still, if you want to go on the safer side, half milk, half water, put little honey. That is the best solution in general. because again, this is a mental setup. This is absolutely mental setup. Many people eat with this. अरे बहुत टेस्टी था, मैं खाना कैसे छोड़ दूं?